I'm trying to explain how I took a massive buy yesterday and sell at around it was around 8:30 p.m. yesterday night. Yeah, 8:30 p.m. and yesterday in the morning from 9 a.m. You're getting my point. So today is on 15th of 16th of November 2024, 10 p.m. Now, personally, how I start trading is a simple way, and sometimes I don't share these things randomly to, I can say, those who are not lucky to join mentorship. I don't share most of the things there. And personally, I do start analyzing the market from the monthly. I don't start analyzing the market from the 4 hour. 4 hour is just for the, maybe those who are maybe scalpers, the so-called those people. So from the monthly, how is the chart telling me? This is a monthly time frame. Simple. The market is on a selling market. So there are some conditions that you want to see for you to buy this market, and those conditions that are there on the other platforms I've posted there. There are some conditions that you want to do to take a counter trend trade. Counter trend means the market is selling but you're buying, but you're making profit. You know, there's some conditions like that. Is it so? Yeah. For those who have been trading for, let me say, 4 months, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, they know what I'm trying to mean. So let me go to the weekly. Now on the weekly side, how is the market moving? It's a selling market. Is it so? So each candlestick represents weekly, so long as we are in a weekly time frame. I think you are understanding what I'm trying to say. So after knowing that, look at the previous week candle. Has it closed below or it is closing above? It should not be between the range. So I'm saying the body should be closing below the previous week's what? Body. Sinisawa. What I'm trying to mean is here. This is the today's candlestick is here. This is the the previous week candlestick, and you're seeing this the today's candle. Is it so? Right. Now after knowing that, you come to the daily. The daily, what are you looking? I've been talking about the kind of called liquidity. Do you understand liquidity? If you have not read about liquidity, here I don't use, in synthetic, we have no news, we have no, I don't know CPI, I don't know those things. By the way, if you know about news, one day you will teach me about that. I don't know those kind of things, and I'm not into that, and I'll not do that. You're getting my point? So, I do synthetic, and we are not influenced by news or any kind of stuff, and that's why today is on a Saturday. I can trade and make money while you are there seated waiting for Monday. Is it so? Now, these are selling markets. There's some conditions that you're trying to buy. Yesterday, someone challenged me that it is a selling market. I told him, for the day traders, it will be a buy to certain point, but after that, it will be a selling market. So, understand the market on a higher time frame for you to be safe in the field of trading. Sinisawa. Now, after knowing that it's a selling market, go and search for liquidity. By saying liquidity, you know what it takes. If you have not learned about liquidity, go back and learn there. It's there. So after knowing that, I'll look at the break of structure here. I've seen the market broke here. The market broke this point here. And what happens when the market breaks the structure? When the market breaks structure, it must come back to pick some orders so that you can continue the trend. So this market broke structure here. What are you trying to see again? This market must come back to this point here so that you can start selling. And what they did do yesterday, it came back. This is a daily candle. It broke structure here, so it's coming back to our point here. This is our order block here. This is our order block here. This is my order block. So this market must come, even if you have let me say Kama saa hii uko naseme $10, sell V10 and make your own money and enjoy on yourself. Hii mambo na that you want to be account management, that you want to be I don't know what, signals, paying signals, no. We are out of that, manze. You know, we are out of that. Analyze, trade on your own, then make your own money and enjoy. That's a good thing of trading. But if you are there, you're not bothering, you're not taking your time to learn how you'll make it. You can't make it. So in trading, it's just like you're in high school. If you don't attend a physics class for 1 week, my friend, you'll have lost everything. If you want to attend a math class for 1 week, you'll have lost everything. And you'll come back to pay for it. You can pay for it going to look for the teacher or going to learn on yourself. And the possibility of learning of yourself, it will be very hard for you. You're getting my point? Now, if the market broke at this point, we are waiting the market to come and fill this order block. You're getting? And why is it our order block? I'm not picking just a random candle to say it's my order block. An order block should be influenced with a break of structure or a liquidity grab or sweep somewhere, and it should have a fair value gap around it. You're getting my point? After knowing that, what are you looking again? I'm looking for a place where it is not mitigated. By saying mitigated, I'm meaning it has not been tested before. Mitigation block, I think you have learned about that. It has not been mitigated before. Are you getting my point? So after knowing this, you are coming to 4 hour now. Now you have the general knowledge of the market. So you're saying this market must buy to this point, then it starts selling. So if it can sell, it will sell up to where it is selling up to the previous day's low. Let me say here. So today you can sell V10 paka saa 12 jioni, you make your own money, then trade vizuri sana. You'll quit your job, utaquit your kazi yako, by the way. Kazi ni mingi, by the way. Time is coming when you'll be having a lot of job, maybe under this street of Pale. I have I have 3 YouTube channels, I have 3 TikTok accounts, I have 3 Facebooks, I have 3 Twitter. People will be managing those accounts that are there. We'll be opening a lot of things there. We want to open even schools. Kazi mingi itakuwa. So the better, the best. I mean, the earlier the better for you. I'm not here to come to influence you to join me. No. I'm just coming here, pick the good things and the bad things, leave. That's upon you. Now, after identifying this, what are you looking for? I'm looking to go to H4. At H4, my students, I normally teach them about liquidity. So liquidity will explain to you when the market is ready to buy and when the market is ready to sell. So yesterday, I was looking for a buy to this point. So I saw this one. I saw this point here. There is a break of structure with a wick. Are you seeing that point? Then I saw this point here. If they can recall, if they can remember the talks of Lorraine, you can remember this. I saw that break of structure at this point and that point. So what are you looking now as a trader? You're waiting the market to come back to fill our point here. And at some point, this pattern is normally used by traders in South Africa. It is called Quasimodo pattern. I'll be explaining to you how it takes. So I was expecting this market to come up to this point. Yesterday, up to this point, then it buys up to here, and it did so. In fact, it was up to this point here. It never came up to this point. So as a trader, there are some things that you cannot see because this is your take profit here, and the trade never came up to that point. There are some things that I want to look and see. This market will not continue buying. You're getting the point? There are some many things that you want to look and see, that these are many things that are like utaona hii gari itafika town. You want to see this car won't reach to our destination. You just want to see. That's the point I'm trying to say. Now, after seeing this, it was around which point? It was around here. I saw this point here, and I was just about to send the setup in the group. I was expecting the trade to come up to this point as my take profit, but after seeing this, I saw this, the break of structure, another point here, and I saw this one. Personally, I left this trade immediately immediately, and I start selling this market. Currently is a sell market, and we are almost going to the bank, Sahi. We are doing great, by the way. Let me tell you, simple like that. That's the trade that I took on V10 yesterday, and with under the so-called what synthetic. We are not influenced by news. We are not influenced by any kind of things. It's just normal price action. What the market is doing. You know, if you have someone who is called a mentor, try to ask him or her, why are you selling this market? Why is this market just came from here and start selling significantly? He must explain to you, why is this market selling? Is it so? And this kind, yeah, I think that is what